You're making me so proud, Joey.
Quick following.
You're almost as good as your brother Gerald. Your father would be so proud. He went out to get some smokes about 7 years ago. I need to go to the store and get some Camels.
Yo, this is attention to detail, and this is what we're working on today.
Don't try this at home. Professionals only. Sadly, I'm not a professional. Wing it.
Wait a minute, wing it. What is that?
You get like a pre-wish or something. Can you do this? Need some Hey you, if you subscribed, we're doing a giveaway, $100. Subscribe now. Hey, how are y'all?
Good, I'm Christy.
Hey, looks like a shirt.
Video? Yeah, that's it, man. This y'all, you stick your hand.
Y'all mind to be on the video?
No.
We don't know if we're gonna use it. We just record it just in case.
There is some red ones at the bottom of it.
Oh, I'm thinking.
Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Roadhouse and flesh.
Yo, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we greatly appreciate it. Now, cue the B-roll.